Gary Rosen once again here with Judge Tanya Acker from Hot Bench.
Thank you.
Now, you're sharing the space with two other judges. This is the first time, as you said, that it's been done on television, where we see a three-judge bench.
Yes.
But that has to be a little bit different for you, that you're sharing a space. What's that been like?
I think that shared space, when you've got three committed people who are smart, who are insightful, three is always better than one. You know, I think that when you've got the great thing about this show, and the great thing that's, at least that has been for me personally, is the opportunity to really benefit from these very different perspectives. You know, the great thing about what we're doing here is that we're all so different. We all have very different backgrounds, and we're just different people. You know, sometimes we see these cases very differently.
Right.
And having the benefit of those different perspectives is only a good thing.
When did you know you wanted to become an attorney?
Oh, my goodness. Well, I was always a big talker when I was a kid.
Really?
And, to hear my parents tell it, I wanted to always make the case for why I should get my way. So I think I started early. My early advocacy may have been for things like why I should get a certain Barbie, and then it just went from there.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
Oh, I really like to be outside. I like to hike. I like to play with my dogs. I like to cook. That should not be confused with being a very good cook or a master chef, but I like to play around in the kitchen. I'm a really big reader. I love to read. I particularly like to read nonfiction about early 20th century America, because I think that when we look at where we were, it gives us an even greater appreciation for where we are and where we're going. But I would say I love to read, and honestly, I like to watch Judy. She keeps it real.
There you go.
I like folks who keep it real.
Great. We'll talk to you again. Thanks so much.
Thanks, Gary.